Alright, in this example we have m plus c divided by 3 times m plus c. Now the thing to note here is that it's 3 times m plus c in the bottom. It's not 3 plus m plus c or 3 minus m plus c. So the m plus c in the bottom is involved in the multiplication, but there is nothing else added on to or subtracted from the m plus c. Okay? And that's key. Because if there's nothing added on to the m plus c, then this entire unit, m plus c, think of it as one block. That block is available for cancelling if we've got an m plus c on the top as well. And in this case we do. We have m plus c on the top, and we have m plus c in the bottom, and neither of those two blocks, the m plus c blocks, neither of them, either the one on the top or the bottom, have anything added on or subtracted to them. So that means they're available for cancelling. So what we can do is we can cancel the m plus c in the top with the m plus c in the bottom. On the bottom we're left with the 3, but it looks like there's nothing left on top. Now here's something very important. If you cancel an entire line, whether it's the top line or the bottom line, and there's nothing else left behind, then you have to put a 1 there. Okay? So if you cancel an entire line, either the top line or the bottom line, and there's nothing left behind, you have to put a 1 there. So this is 1 on top, 3 on the bottom. So m plus c over 3 times m plus c is simplified as 1 over 3. That's all there is to this, but the 1 is very important.